This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Cindy Mclaughlin. Beautiful ranch home on 2.2 acres west/mountain views. Besides privacy and views, this home has a large master suite, 2.5 baths, split bedrooms, living room west/gas fireplace and very open floor plan. Ideal for family and entertaining west/an updated kitchen west/island having a vegetable sink, room for snack bar and a breakfast area. Other special features: large covered front porch west/a swing bed, tankless water heater, separate laundry room, fenced area for kids or pets, and detached garage west/attic storage above. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Mclaughlin at 865-584-4000.